Hey, Ebusia, democracy under attack. Hey, enyasem kitwa enede na MP before omo democracy a omo kan wasem enede omo akọ demonstration. Ebusia abaso na amanfo a ebaye no gurus a wondwene wo sameba mu no omo nyina abebi na ene Accra impati mu no tuntum kokko omoni abreko ena omo nam se womo de omo nsem petition kwa akoto omampani enim sene ebeya pepeye ana emra no ebeye ejuma ede ama wo ene dey democracy yesi ehu abasem is under attack na yeba betu yebo na afi yebora omo petition a womo de call ye se omampani ena afi so Supreme Court entie bi na ondi omasem enfem ma wo na ebusia ense bebre omo abobo nse bi so a de womo ni abre no se aban anye obibi amfa ma wa na che se ya na ebe kon dia then in the near future no wan hwe ye a they will also repeat the same thing yo ebusia enchore bi so a epie a ekyereke nsemu efa petitioner omode call omampani aso ye hono no meto mebo na makenkan kakra edi amaw na won senior eno so ete led by minority leader in parliament Alexandra Afenya Maken organized of the street protest democracy under attack ended Thursday, watched with the presentation of a petition to the presidency at the frontage of the Jubilee House. Now, they also earlier presented separate petition to the Supreme Court, accusing the government of political persecution, selective justice, and also the abuse of state institutions. The demonstration formed part of the New Patriotic Party's (NPP) nationwide campaign, Democracy Under Attack, when it says seek to draw public attention to what it described as growing threat to Ghana's democratic governance under the current administration. According to the NPP, the protest was intended to highlight development it believes undermine the rule of law and judicial independence and public confidence in state institutions. Among the issues raised in the petition were the acquittal and also the discharge of former microfinance and small loan center Maslow Chief Executive Officer Sedina Tamaklo Atino, the removal of Chief Justice Jetrid Araba Asaba Tokonu, and the 20-year prison sentence imposed on the party's Ashanti Regional Chairman Bernard Entry Boasiako, popularly known as Chema Wuntumi. The party urged that this development raised serious concern about the consistency, fairness, and impartiality of Ghana's justice system. Omochiaso Ekan said hundreds of NPP supporters dressed in the party's symbolic black and red colors, marched through the streets of Accra in support of the demonstration. The protests attract party executives, members of parliament, former executive officials, and grassroots supporters. At Jubilee House, a brief standoff occurred after security personnel restricted members of the media from entering the inner perimeter to cover the presentation of the petition. NPP leaders declined to proceed until journalists were granted access. The party also initially refused to hand over the petition when the presidential staffer Nana Yaa Jetro arrived to receive it, insisting they had expected either the Chief of Staff, Julius Debra, or President John Dramani Mahama to accept the document personally. The NPP described the absence of the Chief of Staff as a sign of disrespect to the concern outlined in the petition. Following the discussion between both others, the party agreed to present the petition to Nana Yaa Jetro, who assured the delegation that it will be personally and formally delivered to the presidency. Ebusia weni MPP for ene demonstration ene omutisi Accra kwanso a omodi omonsem ekoto omampeni enimo. Mene ukase omampeni oni hosisi a utukwan na dia ojiye no wahye se omampeni ba odebema no na yehwe se petition omodi akoi eyampapa se ombetumi edimu djuma ama na ye mra sene ebeya afibọ obia bana se party fofra wo muntumi nsiso ma no esan se danu ya manfu ekọhye mre bi se yen kokọhwe a omuba power wo mu ekoyi onipako na pie unim de America no during the time of NDP time no Maslow omu executive penino ya chi no ye nyina ye tie se ya sentence no 10 years in prison. Now when na NDC for buy no ye be yi na pie ama MPP for say na we so efrihim fa eno nti omo kan say mo achiche ma wontumi for 20 years no say pa na ebe kon dia ene abusua ene ebe kon saa o ye be kon saa ba me how kakra me wo ewo democracy under attack no ma me so me ntumi no kakra ne hwa de bi akose ye mpenifo no omo de ye na adwene edi agro ye mtimimfo no obi tumi betene kondwa so wa unim se emra we in e govern you but ni party na baninti oba be ye de yenye se ne be ye abibi ba ni party abeginemu a defend no enu nti se ye chi ne na ni gide ni se e chi na menim se me party ba they will lose me to go na we ye dibu ye maya min gindi se emra ne do no mo no eye constitution ana emra na da supreme court ebu ye ho ban no na je say di enidie ina ede ma oman bia no ye wo mra ebu ye ho man oman a emra enimo no timemufo eye de omope obi asori a de yenye na oye enu nti dia NPP foi omo se ene omo ko demonstration omo de akọ mpenifo enimo no mimi kanipi se afani afanyina sa na omo de yen ekowie a ye mutimemufo no na afei omodo mo pressure abeto yenso enu nti de omo de akwesa papa se be yedwuma na se omampeni is excellency John Dramani Mahama obetumi ade wudwuma pa de a ene nanka ye ne finchim se enye permanent se ne be ya se obi betena so a onya nkwan se obetumi assess atumi no me party na ewo so enu nti meye da mepe ye chimi krapo a me sure se party tumi no ba ye be yimi epie ene MPP for akọ demonstration esan say one kasa wuti wo ye we boni into so moka ebusia menim da so woka fa ho mimi na maka no obetumi adrop comment or a comment section at the amaye se ne be ya obi a onim de esiye ana butanti amode call ye say wo mo demonstration no hanomo na me break no e de amawo hanomo Ghana Watch TV on subscribe ya bomode na subscribe se ne be ya afofo bi so benyi bi ahwe like na share page no se ne be ya bia me de bifro bia obenya okwan na wo so ahwe bi na ifefefe hanomo na be jabo ede ne di bishop nana anoba adwina anya dwuma di pedua no na ebre